In moments like this, it seems the universe is in perfect balance. But feline peace is a deceptive thing. It is here, the red phantom, the one that cannot be caught. Sleep cancelled, predator mode activated. The race is on. Pip relies on speed, Barnaby on mass. Crash! Zero coordination. They are getting in each other's way. The enemy mocks them. This battle cannot be won alone. And here a plan is born. Two hunters become one pack. Barnaby cuts off the escape routes. He is the wall. Pip is the missile. Target lock complete. Go! Get it! The moment of glory! You think we are playing? We memorized your face, human. Pip wants a like. Barnaby demands a subscribe. You have your orders.